Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the narrator voice on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Narrator. Under the Narrator's Voice heading, you can click Choose a Voice to change to an already installed voice. The default voice sounds a bit too robotic, so you can install natural voices instead. Click Add next to Add Natural Voices, and you can install a much better natural sounding voice. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.